Want to learn how to run Google Ads campaigns with Vendasta? In this quick guide, I'm going to walk you through how you can use Vendasta to boost your Google Ads game, and trust me, it's going to be easier than you think. Stick with me until the end, because I'll also share how you can access this software for free with exclusive bonuses. First off, let's talk about what Vendasta is. It's a platform designed to help agencies and marketers manage everything from digital advertising to client reports. What makes Vendasta stand out is that it lets you manage Google Ads campaigns, which is a huge plus if you're looking to streamline your advertising efforts. Now, let's dive into how to set up and run Google Ads campaigns with Vendasta. You can start by linking your Google Ads account directly to the platform. This integration means you don't have to jump between different tools, which saves you time and hassle. Once your account is connected, you'll be able to manage campaigns right from the Vendasta dashboard. You can create, track, and optimize your Google Ads campaigns without ever leaving the platform. Next thing, let's talk targeting. Vendasta allows you to easily define your audience for Google Ads. You can target by location, interests, or behaviors, ensuring your ads are being seen by the right people. With the software's intuitive tools, setting up targeted ads has never been simpler. Vendasta also gives you access to advanced targeting options, like retargeting users who've already interacted with your ads or website. The third thing that makes Vendasta a great choice for running Google Ads campaigns is its reporting. You can track the performance of your ads in real time, which means you can make adjustments and optimize campaigns on the fly. Vendasta's reporting features let you dive into key metrics like impressions, clicks, conversions, and cost per click, so you can get a clear picture of how well your ads are performing. The fourth thing is the ease of collaboration. If you're working with a team or handling multiple clients, Vendasta makes it easy to collaborate and keep everything organized. You can share access, work on campaigns together, and even create custom reports for your clients. This is great for agencies who need to show their clients the results of their campaigns in a clear and professional way. Lastly, one of the best parts about using Vendasta for your Google Ads campaigns is that it comes with built-in tools to help you optimize. With automated recommendations and suggestions, the platform helps you improve your ads' performance over time. Whether it's adjusting your bidding strategy or updating your keywords, Vendasta helps you fine-tune your campaigns for maximum efficiency. Now, I know you're probably wondering how you can get started with Vendasta. The great news is you can use the software completely free by clicking the link below. Plus, you'll get access to exclusive bonuses that you won't find anywhere else. In summary, running Google Ads campaigns with Vendasta is not only simple, but it's also highly efficient. With powerful tools for campaign management, targeting, reporting, collaboration, and optimization, it's the perfect platform for anyone looking to level up their Google Ads game. Don't forget, there's a special extended free trial waiting for you if you sign up through the link below. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your Google Ads campaigns.